Hey guys, welcome back to the second episode of Tech Talk. In this episode, we will be talking about how tech companies are thinking of creative and useful ways to get trash out of the ocean, and also prevent trash from getting into the ocean. But before we begin, a message from TeamSeas. TeamSeas is a project to get pollution out of our seas to help save the planet. This project was started by MrBeast and Mark Rober to help clean our oceans. How you can help? You can go to TeamSeas.org and donate $1 or more to get 1 pound of trash or more out of the ocean. If you can't afford to donate, encourage your friends and family to recycle things, because many things we put in the garbage can be recycled into new things. And now, back to the video. Chapter 1. How companies think of clever ways to reduce their carbon footprint. Many companies try every day to reduce how much non-recyclable waste they put on their products. Take, for example, Apple. On their iPhone 13, they use pull tabs instead of plastic. Another example of how companies are trying to reduce their carbon footprint is Google. They run on 100% renewable energy, and one of the ways they do this is by renting goats to eat the grass to mow their lawns. Chapter 2. How companies use technology to clean the environment. A company that makes technology to clean our ecosystem is WasteShark. WasteShark is an aqua drone that removes plastic and other floating debris from the water surface. This can be useful since when the debris on the surface is clean, it can no longer be a danger to the wildlife that is underneath the spot. Thanks for watching. If you want to help clean the ocean, go down below and click the link in my description to donate to TeamSeas.